Hello students, welcome back. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and watching my all videos. So students, I want to request you that please go through to my all lectures, to my all videos for the better understanding. If you will watch my videos, you will get the topic very effectively. So, and if you have any confusion students, so you can frequently ask in the comment section of that particular video. I will give answer of your all comments. So I am eagerly waiting for your comments. So please do comment. And let's start today's video. So in this video our chapter number is 2, numbers 1 to 20, lecture number 12. So students, in this video we shall learn about comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers means numbers की तुलना करना. Numbers की तुलना करना क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स? तुलना करना means कि हमको ये देखना उसमें that which number is big, which number is small, which is larger, which is smaller, so which is greatest, which is smallest. So all these things we will learn in this video. Two numbers can be equal and among two numbers, one can be small, one can be big. So all these things we will learn in this video. So let's start. First of all, these are the sign of greater than, less than and equal to. When we do comparison of number, we use these symbols: greater than, less than and equal to, or we can say is equal to. So I am denoting greater than and less than by a cartoon character, means a pictorial cartoon. So this is looking like mouth of crocodile. So this is the symbol of greater than, this is the symbol of less than and this one is the symbol of is equal to. Greater than का सिंबल हम कहाँ पुट करते हैं? जहाँ पर टू नंबर का हम कंपैरिजन करते हैं और जो नंबर बिग होता है हम उसकी तरफ ओपन माउथ वाला सिंबल मींस ग्रेटर देन का सिंबल प्लेस करते हैं. अब जब टू नंबर्स का हम कंपैरिजन कर रहे होते हैं, जो नंबर स्मॉल होता है उसकी तरफ हम क्लोज्ड माउथ लाइक दिस ये सिंबल हम पुट करते हैं. बिग नंबर की तरफ माउथ ओपन होता है एंड स्मॉल नंबर की तरफ माउथ closed होता है. Okay students, and when we do comparison, two numbers can be equal to each other. Both side the number can be equal also. So जब दोनों ही तरफ आपके नंबर इक्वल होते हैं तो हम कौन सा सिंबल प्लेस करते हैं? इक्वल टू सिंबल. विच सिंबल या विच साइन वी डू यूज? इक्वल टू. Okay students, so have you got my point? Greater than, less than and equal to. It's greater than, it's less than symbol and it's equal to. Okay children, so now here let's see. There are some animals, picture of animals on your screen. So initially we will count the animals. In this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 animals. This is a bird. Bird is also included. The first category of bird is animal. So you can count it in bird also. So total 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this side 1, 2, 3, 4. This side total 4 animals. Okay. So children, now what we have to do? We have to place the sign, the symbol of whether it should be less than, greater than, or equal to. So you know very well where we put less than sign, where we put greater than sign, and where we put is equal to sign. Equal to sign. Okay. So this side we had 5 animals and this side we have 4 animals. So children, as I told you earlier, that from the very left hand side's number or picture you have to see. So this side आपको फर्स्ट वाला नंबर या नंबर जो होता है आपको वो देखना होता है. ओके. सो दिस साइड देयर आर टोटल 5. 1 second, let me write. Yeah, this side there are total 5 animals and this side there are total 4 animals. So children, as you know that number 5 is greater than 4. So here we will put a sign of greater than. Got it? Next is, yeah, here are some beautiful fish and this side some fish are also. So let us count the number of fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this side, let me write 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This side total 8 fish. Okay. So this side 5, this side 8. Children, you know number 5 is less than number 8. 5 छोटा नंबर है, 8 बड़ा नंबर है. ओके. और आपको आगे वाला नंबर ही देखना है. whether if the number is greater, so you will put a sign of greater than. If this number is smaller, you will put a sign of smaller than. If both the numbers are equal, so you will put a sign of equal to. But this side the number is smaller than 8, so we will put a sign of less than. Okay. Okay children, now let us see. Let us do the greater than and less than with the help of numbers. This side we have 8 and this side we have 12. So children, you know that number 8 is less than number 12. आपको आगे वाला नंबर देखना है. If this number is smaller, then you will put a sign of less than. If this number is greater, you will put a sign of greater than. And if both the numbers are equal, you will put a sign of equal to. So 8 is less than 12. So we will put a sign of less than. This side closed mouth. Closed mouth. Next one is 16. This side 10. So first number is 16, second number is 10. 16 is greater than 10. We will put a sign of greater than. Okay. 16 बड़ा होता है बेटा, 10 छोटा होता है. तो आप 16 को देखेंगे, 16 नंबर बड़ा है, ग्रेटर है, सो आप ग्रेटर देन का साइन पुट करेंगे. ओके. इन दोनों में से आप 8 को देखेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल both the numbers you have to judge, but see the first number, according to the first number we will put a sign. So 8 is less than 12, so we will put a sign of less than. Next 15 and this side also 15. So this side 15 and this side 15, it means both the numbers are equal. That's why we are going to put a sign of equal to. Fine. So we had put a sign of equal to as both the numbers are equal. Okay children.
What is this? Yes, these are colorful pencils. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This side the number of pencil is 9. And this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This side, the number of pencil is also 9. So students, both side, the number of pencil is equal. Okay. So we will put a sign of equal to like this. So learn it with one more example. इसी को हम देखते हैं एक और एग्जाम्पल के साथ, नंबर के एग्जाम्पल के साथ. So tell me which number is this? 17. Very good. 1 7 17. So smart. And this is, yes, this number is also 17. So as you can see that both side the numbers are equal. दोनों तरफ नंबर इक्वल है. इस तरफ भी 17 और ब्राउन बॉक्स में भी 17, येलो बॉक्स में भी 17 और ब्राउन बॉक्स में भी 17. तो जब दोनों तरफ सेम नंबर होते हैं, इक्वल थिंग्स होती है या इक्वल नंबर होते हैं, तो हम क्या करते हैं? साइन पुट करते हैं. और कौन सा साइन पुट करते हैं? इक्वल टू. तो दिस इज द साइन ऑफ इक्वल टू. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हैव यू गॉट माय पॉइंट? वी हैव लर्नड हियर greater than, less than and equal to. Now let's move towards to the book exercise. So my dear students, now we shall fill the book exercise. PUT, put. THED, SYMBOL, symbol. Greater than, less than or equal to in the box. The first one is 19, 19. Both side number are equal. For the equal number we fill the symbol of equal to. Next, 7, 6. So tell me which number is greater? Yes, 7 is greater. So we will put a symbol of greater than, open mouth sign. 2, 12. 2, 12. Among in the both number, which number is greater? Yes, 12 is greater. So we shall put a symbol of greater than towards to the 12, open mouth symbol. 10, 1. Which is greater? 10. Now 6, 16. Which number is greater? 6 और 16. कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है? 6 बड़ा है कि 16 बड़ा नंबर है? Yes, 16 is greater. So and learn. Now look at here how to draw the symbol like this. Like this. Okay. 14, 14. Both are equal. Next, 3 and 4. So which number is greater? Yes, number 4 is greater. Okay, जो नंबर बिग होता है, जो नंबर बड़ा होता है, उसकी तरफ हम ओपन माउथ लगाते हैं. 11, 11. Both are equal. 13, 3. 13 is greater. Question number 2. Circle the greatest number in each set. Every set में से हमें greatest में सबसे बड़े नंबर को सर्कल करना है. Here we have 5, 3, 11, 6. 11 is the greatest number. 6, 1, 2, 8. 8 is the greatest number. So we will circle the number 8. Next, 12, 19, 16, 5. So which number is the greatest number? 19. Very good. So we have done 8. Come to the next one. Circle the smallest number in each set.
एवरी सेट में से अब हमें क्या करना है, स्मॉलेस्ट, स्मॉलेस्ट मीन्स सबसे छोटा, सबसे छोटे नंबर को क्या करना है हमें, सर्कल. ओके, सो सर्कल विच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर, 16, 7, 6, 8. 16, 7, 6, 8. 6 is the smallest number. In the next, 3, 10, 8, 4. 3 is the smallest number. 3 इन सारे नंबर में से सबसे छोटा नंबर है. 18, 12, 7, 6. 6 is the smallest number. इन सभी नंबर में से 6 सबसे छोटा नंबर है. So students, we have also done the book exercise. Now students, it's time to take homework, and your homework is learn and write table of 4 in fair notebook. What you have to do, you have to learn as well as write the table of 4 in your fair notebook. Here I have mentioned the table of 4. I have mentioned here twice. You have to write it in your notebook single time. आपको ये नोटबुक में एक ही बार लिखनी है, टेबल ऑफ 4, एज वेल एज आपको ये लर्न भी करनी है. इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल डिस्कस द टेबल ऑफ 4. Students, now discuss the homework solution of lecture number 11. Lecture number 11 was your previous lecture. In the lecture number 11, your homework was learn and write table of 2 and 3 in fair notebook. Yes, your homework was learn and write tables of 2 and 3 in fair notebook. So, I hope you all have learned as well as done in the fair notebook. So let's speak with me. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. So students, we have also discussed the homework solution of lecture number 11. So till the next video, bye bye, take care.